In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people or an agency to your Facebook Business Manager using the Meta Business Suite. Navigating through the tools and settings that Facebook provides can seem daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and ease. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to connect others to your Business Manager with confidence. Let's begin our journey by opening up the business settings within your Meta Business Suite. This is your starting point, where all the management magic happens. Taking time to familiarize yourself with these settings is important as this hub is crucial for controlling the various components of your business entity on Facebook. Now, once you're in business settings, you should see options on the left-hand side, including one labeled People and another called Partners. Depending on whether you want to add individual users or an agency, you'll select the corresponding option. If you're adding individual team members, you'll click on People. Alternatively, if you're working with an agency or external partners, head on over to Partners. Within these sections, you'll find a prominent plus button that serves as your gateway to adding new team members or partners. For adding people, this button is labeled Invite People, while for partners, it's labeled Add. Clicking this button will bring up a field where you can enter either an email address for individual people or a partner's business ID for agency collaborations. It's crucial here to ensure that you all have the accurate details on hand. Inputting the correct email or business ID will determine whether they receive your invitation or not. This leads us to the next important consideration, the level of access you wish to grant them. Access levels vary significantly, ranging from admin permissions that give full control over business assets to specific, limited access designed for particular tasks. When you're prompted to assign these permissions, think carefully about the roles and responsibilities you expect this person or agency to undertake. For example, if they need to manage campaigns but not modify settings, you'd assign them roles accordingly. Next, you'll need to determine which assets they should access. Meta Business Suite divides assets into various categories, such as ad accounts, Facebook pages, and apps. Each serves a unique purpose. Be sure to select the precise assets that align with the responsibilities the invited party will hold. After everything is set, you simply press Send Invitation. The recipient will receive an email or notification based on the information you've provided earlier. Once they accept, they will gain access to your business manager according to the settings you've put in place. That's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through the process of adding people or an agency to your Facebook Business Manager. Mastery of these settings not only facilitates collaborative work, but also enhances the management of your digital presence. Thanks for joining, and keep an eye out for more insightful tutorials.